What's going on, everybody? In this video, I am excited to share with you the secret scalping trading strategy that's been working really well using an unknown TradingView indicator. Right? Nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. Let's get right into it. So this is what your chart's going to look like with these two indicators. Both of them are completely free to use on TradingView. So let me show you guys how to set this up and change the settings as needed to make it look the way that was. So when you first log into TradingView, this is what your chart's going to look like. The first indicator we're going to add, it's called Trend Magic. The one right here by KIVANC, this one that has a lot of favorites. So a lot of people use this. This is not the secret indicator. I'm going to show you the secret indicator, which is the second one that we're going to add. All right. So for this one, we're going to make one change. So go up here, click settings. In style, we're going to change the color from blue to green, so it matches everything else that we're going to be doing with this strategy. Click OK. This indicator is set. The second indicator that we're going to add, we go back into indicators, and this indicator, you got to spell this one out because yeah, it's a little challenging to find. So if you need to rewatch this video a couple of times, go right ahead. DZIWNE. When you do that, the indicator we're going to use is this one, the trend indicator A. All right, there's a B also, but for this one, you got to use the A. Trend indicator A, the EMA Heikinashi. All right. Click on it once, it gets added. See, only 207 people have favorited this, so not too many people know about this one. So let's see how it does. This one, we're going to make some changes as well. Click on settings. First, we're going to change the style up so it's a little bit easier to see, and it kind of goes along with the other things that we have going on with the strategy. So on color 0, I'm going to select red and make it super bright. I'm going to take this to 100. On color 1, we're going to change this from yellow to green. And again, I'm going to make this go all the way up to 100, so it's a lot easier to see. And then we're going to go into inputs, and we will change the EMA length from 13 to 7. And EMA length smoothing, we're going to change from 13 to 12. Okay? Click OK. Now your chart is ready. So this again, it's on the 5-minute time frame. You can test it out on other time frames if you want. Just make sure you back test it. And I've got a link to a back testing software that I usually use. That's in the description below as well, so if you guys want to check it out. So now the rules. Let's open up a text box so you guys can follow along with the rules. So for long trades, number 1, you want the trend magic. It needs to be green. Second, the DZIWNE needs to be green as well. Okay. When both of these are green, you have to wait until the price action is above both of those lines. Okay? So, price action above both. So, this is where it crosses over. This is the candle where you would get into a trade like this. Okay? And then the stop loss is going to be the recent swing low, which would be right here, right? And then for this, I like to use 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay. So you got 1 to 1.5. So it would hit right here or right here, right? So that is, it's super simple. You just got to follow these rules. The main thing about trading is you have to be disciplined. It's not about how often you trade, but the quality of the trades that matter, because it's all risk management. Okay. So with this scalping trading strategy, it's, you follow the rules, it's fairly successful. So now for short trades, let's move this over. So for instance, right here, trend was green, green, green. This turned red. Now here's red, right? So now for short trades, hey, I haven't mentioned this so far, so please, if you guys are finding value in this video, if you guys like this, please, please, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And drop a comment saying boom below, and let me know what you guys think, and if there's anything else you guys would like for me to cover. And then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos about more awesome strategies just like this. So for the short trades, trend magic needs to be red. This one also, the DZIWINE, needs to be red as well. And price action needs to be below both. So here we go. Red line. The ribbon's turning red. This is where it turns red. This would be the entry candle because price action is below both of those, right? And then the stop loss would be a recent swing high instead of a recent swing low, because now this is a short position. And we would do risk to reward ratio of 1.1 to 1.5. And with something like that, boom, here you go. So this is a super simple scalping trading strategy, right? And a lot of people like the 5-minute time frame, so this one has become quite popular, but not too many people know about the secret indicators. So yeah, back test it, see what you guys think. And you know, the indicators in this video are completely free to use, but if you're looking for an amazing premium indicator, I personally use Lux Algo Premium for my trading, and I highly recommend it to anyone that's looking to step up their game. All right.